In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to finding the next 100x meme coin. There are actually 5 steps to finding a 100x meme coin. If you read these reports by Bybit on the best performing crypto category in 2023, you will see that meme coins ranked number 2, outperforming DeFi, Bitcoin, Layer 1, GameFi, and all these other categories below. Guys, these are meme coins. They are basically tokens that have no utility, only driven by mere community hype and the crypto culture, but they still outperformed coins with the best fundamentals. So if you can find a meme coin with low market cap that is not a scam, because there are so many scam meme coin there, and it passes all the attributes and characteristics of the crypto meme culture, then you can make a lot of money from it. In this video, I'm going to show you this. I'll talk about how to identify the meme coin, the tools you can use, and a new meme category that is hot right now. 2 of the coins have done 100x already, and one of them still have the potential to do up to 200x by November this year. Guys, this is not a sponsored video, but I have a paid ad within this video. So give me 2 minutes to talk about that and how you can earn big from its currently running airdrop. It is called Ready to Fight. I have made a dedicated video about this on this channel, and I'm currently farming the airdrop. Ready to Fight is the first social fight app for 10 million plus combat sports communities worldwide. The project is headed by Alexandra Usyk, the Ukrainian professional boxer, Olympic champion and holder of the world boxing title in WBA, WBO, IBF and IBO divisions. He is also set to fight Tyson Fury come May 18th. Ready to Fight is supported by the World Boxing Council, the most famous international organization of professional boxing. Ready to Fight connects sports and Web3 in a social fi system that enables Ready to Fight users to support their favorite fighters by purchasing rates, increasing their rating, and getting profits. RTF is the first world boxing token and an exclusive transparent payment solution. Its utilities include, but not limited to, payment for rates, donation to athletes, payment for goods and services with the RTF card, payment for exclusive content, exchange and transfer, buying tickets, payment for goods and services in its marketplace, access to premium features, payment for streaming, searching for agent partners and coaches. It has an EVM compatible layer 1, proof of stake authority consensus, and validators can earn reward. The testnet went live on March 8th. The current goal of the testnet is to have as many wallets as possible created on the network and test transaction made on the network. To take part in this, you have to create a wallet, request token from the faucet, and experiment with sending a token, deploying smart contracts, earning XPs, and checking transactions on the Explorer. Its hackathon starts on the 14th of March and ends on the 17th of April. If you are a blockchain developer, you can earn from a prize pool of $20,000 for developing apps on its blockchain. Ready to Fight also has an ongoing campaign worth $250,000 for its community. The first tax is in the Ready to Fight app, and the second one is a Zilli tax. I have made a step-by-step video tutorial on how to complete the 2 tasks in my Ready to Fight video. You can pause the video right now and watch the video on how to complete these 2 tasks. I'll leave all links to this in the description. Now, let's get back to how to find the next 100x meme coin. I said that there are 5 simple steps to this. Step 1 is understanding the psychology. What makes a good meme coin? The name of the coin should be easy to pronounce, and people should be able to relate to the coin without thinking too much about it. If you go to coin market cap and click on memes, Doge is the first meme coin, followed by Shiba. Then you have dog with hat, Whiff, Floki, and Bonk riding the same dog meme. Everyone can easily relate with what a dog is without thinking too much about it. Another one is Pepe, which ranks 3rd amongst memes. It is a frog meme. Other memes riding this trend include Book of Meme, and Pepe Fork. Another category is what is trending, like the Trump coin, Grok, When, and App Doge AI. So the name has to be simple and easily relatable. Another way to look at memes is the ecosystem. What is the predominant theme in each ecosystem? For Ethereum, there is the dog meme and the frog meme. For Solana, there is a dog meme and the cat meme. For Cardano, we have the snake meme. Snake and CBO, Cobra King, which I think is an interesting coin, might actually blow up once the Cardano ecosystem picks up. Another thing you should include in your notes is the correlation between Ethereum and the Solana ecosystem. Any project that does well on Ethereum finds its way to Solana and does the same thing, if not better. We can see that with Bonk, a dog meme on Solana, and Book of Meme, a frog meme on Solana. Step 2. How do you find this meme coin? There are two ways to do this. One is to keep a tab on Twitter meme influencers. This does not mean you should ape into any calls they make. I will come to what to do next after their calls. Follow me on Twitter at Jude Umeano, then follow Stecky.it, Henok, and your pop. The second way to discover meme coin is to use this tool, Dex2. So here you can look at the daily gains. You can look at what is hot right now. Now, some of these coins are meme coin, like this is Pepper, this is Grok, and daily gain, Husky might just be a meme coin. And here you will have Ted, you have Helder. So these are actually meme coins. These are ways you can discover meme coins. Step 3, research. The tools I use for research is Dex2, Deskscreener, Bubble Map, and D.Fi. What you're checking out for in this platform is the risk, possible scam, and how good the tokenomics is. So if I want to take an example from here, so let's look at this Husky, and I click on it. You can see some details about it. Market cap is 949K. Liquidity is 226K. 272 persons are holding it. The circulating supply is 420 million. Its daily trade volume is 164,000. So you can get some information about this coin here. Then when you go down further and you click on check audit alerts, you can now see some more information about this. So there are different audits from these platforms, right? So you can see the contract if it's verified, if there's a honeypot, buy tax, sell tax, project contract, mintable, tax modifiable, and all this. See, this actually checks okay for 1, 2, 3, and 4, but honeypots.is is saying that it has a honeypot. Now, if I come here and copy the contract address of this coin, this is a contract address. If I go ahead and copy it, I can take it to Deskscreener and also paste it here. So I can go ahead and see more information about this coin. So it basically shows me the same thing, right? You can see a lot of persons are actually purchasing this coin. This coin might actually do well. Now, if you come to this section, you can see the same thing, the price, the liquidity, FDV, market cap, and other information about the coin. And that's what I like to use is D.fi. D.fi gives you a lot more information. So if I go to the scanner here, click on scanner, I can enter the contract address of this coin to see the score it's going to give me. So if I click on this, I can see that D.fi is giving a lot of risk factor, like this one, but this is mainly because the coin is actually really new. So sometimes you might just wait for the coin to stay, for some time before you think of buying. Now, so D.fi is saying there might be a risk of rug pull because most of the token liquidity is not locked. There is a dump risk and all that. This is because the coin is just like fresh out of the box. So this, if you give it a few days, this might actually turn green. Now, Another tool I like to look at is the bubblemaps.io. If I go here and paste the contract address here, so what Bubble does is that it should bring me all the wallets holding this particular coin and the percentage of coins they're holding. This will give me a better information as to if this coin is held by some few people or if a wallet is holding a large amount of this coin, and inform me if there is a dump risk associated with this coin, a rug pull. But this coin is just new, so you can actually find this information. If I click on Shiba Inu, for example, let me show you how this bubble.map works. So you can see all the wallets holding it and how they're holding it. Debt address is 41%, so this is more like a bond address. Here cannot be withdrawn. This is crypto.com, a centralized exchange. Of course, this is Binance, Robinhood. So these are holding the bigger percentages, is understandable. And from here, this should be private wallet holding it. So Shiba Inu has actually a healthy hold ratio. So these are the things that I look through. Now, if all this thing checks out for this meme coin, the next thing I go to is step 4, the community. Here, what I'll look out for is how engaging the community is, the rate of growth of their social media. Is it growing really fast or is it slow? Is it made up of real people or are there fake people there? You can find all this thing out. The marketing plan of the project, how many influencers are beginning to talk about it, and generally what is the hype culture around this coin. If all this checks out, then I can now decide to make a buy decision. And once I buy, I go to step 5, which is don't be greedy. Take profit along the way. At least take your money out once the coin start doubling. Take your capital, the money you put into it, out, and find a way to start, plan out how you start taking profit as the coin increases. If you say it's going to do 100x, don't wait till you do 100x before you take your profit out. Take your profit out along the way. Now, after you have made all this analysis, there is still no guarantee that the coin will perform excellently. However, the probability of hitting a jackpot is now much higher. And that said, the meme coin category I want to talk about that can do 100x is the PolitiFi. This is trending based on the upcoming US election by November. The 3 coins topping this category is Biden, meme after Joe Biden; Trump, memed after Donald Trump; and Warren, memed after Elizabeth Warren. Note that these meme coins don't have any affiliation with these politicians. As a matter of fact, Elizabeth Warren is actively campaigning against cryptocurrencies. Notwithstanding, the crypto accounts of these coins are growing steadily, with some gaining up to 1,000 new followers per day. The coin could pump or dump depending on who wins the election, even though the politicians themselves have no affiliation with the project. For the Biden coin, I'm looking at a 10x to 88x from the current price of 0.1221. And for Trump, I'm looking at a 20x to a 200x from the current price of 0.2878. And of course, these coins might fluctuate before then. And again, guys, not financial advice. Another meme coin you should keep an eye on is Puff.